Good morning, everyone. Will we catch a trade today? That's the question. Go ahead and share the live. If you're hearing me, let's share the live right off the bat here. Get it rolling. Let's get it rolling. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Jersey, Alec, Emma, good morning. MJ, Nitro, Midman, Jacob, G-Man. Everyone's rolling in. Good. Get it going. Oh, well, we didn't have a trade yesterday. Did we catch one today? Good morning, Kayla. Your friends already on TikTok, man. Already. Morning, Danny. Good morning, Ken. How's everyone this morning? Good morning, DGC. Well, Folgers time. I got some Folgers here in front of me. What's everyone else sipping on this morning? Hopefully, no beer. No drinking this early, everyone. Come on. Good morning, Mark. Money Mind Easy. Jaden. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Yes, share the live. Let's get everyone in here. Any questions? Drop them in the comments here, the chat, whatever it's called. I was just getting the link posted everywhere for the live. That was it. You got consumer confidence at what time? 10? Is it 10, Jacob? Nice. Fast. Fast catch, man. We have FOMC meeting tomorrow. So let's see what the market gives us today. Does it chop or does it allow us to catch a nice entry? We shall see. All right, if you can hear me, see my screen, let me know real quick. King Julian, come on, man. You got to trade clear minded. Clear minded, man. You can have your fun after you make some money. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. All right. Good morning. He also says, good morning to the people of Grizzly World. We'll, we will call this the Bears Den. that's the that's the atmosphere here, I guess. The area we are in. The Bears Den. How's the gym? At the gym this morning, I did 45 minutes of elliptical. Then I hit the sauna. That was it. So that I guess that counts. Trying to let this my forearm heal. Something not healing in it, making it very difficult. Yeah, there you go, Mike. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to say anything bad against peptides. I have thought about trying them, but I've read into them and I've seen some of the side effects and stuff. Then I go back to the same mindset. I'm not going to get political or anything, but like the COVID vaccine, right? Something I never got. One of the reasons was because it was new, it hadn't been tested much. Like, I want to see what happens when people do stuff before I become the test subject. So that's kind of where I am with peptides. I think at this right now, if I was just going to do it, just run a cycle, just being straight up. Good morning, everyone. Uh, yeah, I'm starting to see some side effects from people using the peptides. Like it's just the only thing I take like multivitamins and glutamine. That's about it. Which I don't plan on running any cycles. I was just talking, just stating my opinion. I could, peptides could be the best thing. Maybe in a couple of years when they say, okay, these are not destroying people, then I'll try some. It's just like say if a new company came out with a vehicle, right? The first one they ever created, you're gonna be a little hesitant, right, to drive it and stuff. You're gonna be okay. I want to see how this thing holds up before I. That's right, Ryan. We're locking in. I'm not sure, Beck. Who knows? We live in a world where everything contradicts itself. I feel like. You notice it didn't take Jaden long to get off the peptides. I feel like he knew something was up. Good morning, everyone. Any questions? Yes, share the live. Where is everyone? Just because I didn't give a trade yesterday. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Tiffany. Oh, Jersey with the dad joke. What's he have? Why did the bear quit his job? Hmm. I don't. I mean, I have an answer, but it sounds kind of nerdy, so I'm just gonna keep it to myself. What do you have? What's the answer? Yeah, it's choppy yesterday. Stupid bots again, man. He was making the bare minimum. Nice. You all don't even want to know what I was gonna guess. I was way off. So, way off from that. Yeah, Jaden will be on vacation soon. I'll be just solo on Zoom. Solo.
Over all of the temptations of cheap, garbage, self sabotaging dopamine. You make
I can't
progress
even
in
get
training.
it. I can't even unmute.
If you can follow your rules today,
Well, what are we looking for here? Sorry, I'm trying to get unmuted here in the Zoom. Good morning, Naya. If I haven't already said that. I think I know what I want to do for my birthday. I had a lot of people ask me that. I think I may have decided. I'm not for sure. Depends if I can get a few things done before it. Good morning. Welcome in. What am I going to do? I thought about like buying a camper and just going camping on my property because it's right by the. You can fish off of it and everything. Grill. Just be away from everything. There's no cell phone service there, so I definitely have to. If I plan on trading there at all, I have to get the Starlink. But do you want to see a setup other than what we typically wait for? That's right, history. That's what I said. You think that's true? Comment King. Welcome in. I'm watching this Asia low. That's kind of all close together. Pretty much this whole area here. I feel like I have to relearn where everything is on TradingView every time I use a new tool. All or nothing with that. Yeah, probably MMP. That's what I always think. I feel like Iran's getting in on the stock market now with all this stuff. Anyways, I'm not gonna get into all that. I know that could open up something we don't want in this live. I'm just gonna focus, answer any questions you all have. Share the live. Good morning. I want to say something real quick. Let's see, before we get the 15-minute range in and really have to lock in and focus. I'm doing something a little special in the live today. First off, it's with Grizzology, my indicator, but I turned back on the 7-day free trial on the monthly and on the yearly. So I've never done it on the yearly before, but now the 7-day free trial is available for that, and it's only going to be on today. So if you want to try it out, um, just go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Grizzology, and if you need help setting it up, I have the exact instructions ready for you. So you just have to DM me. Just letting you all know. It'll be today only. I'm looking to let in like 20 more people. I mean, yeah, right now's the time to try it. It's free, right? 7 days for free. If you don't like it, just cancel it. So you're not out any money. Grizzology. I only want you to use it if you like it and find value in it. Okay? Don't get charged for something you're not going to use. Good morning. Thanks, Karen. This is the best indicator ever. It didn't meet my criteria, Nance. We talked about it once we seen the breakout candle to the downside. Just wait, no, that one. Sorry, you know how I get. I forget the trades, the setups we watched previous day, but the orb actually did confirm to the downside, and it printed. It made money, but as soon as it made the move down, it reversed. The candle reversed, then came back up and would have stopped you out. Your runners up. I didn't get in because the confirmation candle had a long wick at the bottom. I was a little hesitant until I looked at the delta. The delta confirmed it was confirmation. You get it, Thomas? Nice. See if I'm muting Team Boy yet. Oh yeah. Or unmute. All right. I can unmute now. How we doing?
What's up, man?
What's up?
So it must have changed because I heard you talking before, and you said you couldn't.
Yeah, whenever you left and joined back, it wouldn't let me do it then. I don't know what happened. I sent a request too. I don't know. What are you watching?
A lot of nothing. What about you?
This,
Pre-market high is so far away.
yeah, I love the area though. The Asia low, pre-market low. We have previous day low, Asia low, pre-market high, previous day point of control, all together there. I'm gonna watch the Asia low area for a possible short, 27.322. Other than that, I'm just gonna wait on the range.
I like that. Don't make me start the lava lamp up. I will.
Turn it on.
I'll do it.
Just don't keep it close to anything that can catch fire.
Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I'll do it.
I can't be the only one that remembers all the lava lamps catching fire in like the 90s, 2000s, whenever it was. Early 2000, late 90s.
What do you say?
I said I can't be the only one that remembers all the lava lamps like catching fire in people's houses in the late 90s.
I actually do remember. I remember reading about that or how they used to be dangerous.
Yeah.
I wasn't alive during that time. I was a baby during that time, but I don't care if all lamps catch on fire. I'll never surrender mine.
What about since we're reminiscing before the 15-minute range is in, does anybody remember like the vitamins they used to give us when we was kids, like the little uh, hard chewable vitamins, like little animals and stuff?
Fred Flintstones?
Yeah, you all remember them?
I remember those. That's hilarious.
Classic.
Don't get me started on the dinosaur oatmeal, man. On the dino meal. Don't get me started on that, bro.
I don't remember that one. Maybe a little later.
Real ones remember the dino eggs. Real ones remember that. Probably so bad for you. So much crap.
Yeah. Daniel said that's the reason we survived COVID was them vitamins. Hilarious.
That's funny.
The Flintstone stretching a little, getting ready. If you want to, Kareem, if you have Trading View, right? I have the Pro subscription or whatever it's called. I believe. I don't know. I have the more expensive one. You just come right here to look at volume footprint. You can see delta once you zoom in. Comes with Trading View. It's not part of Grizzology. That part isn't. I mean, I don't. I mean, the VWAP reject possibly, but we gotta get a little bit higher up before I consider anything. Okay, for a reject. Well, give us a trade, NQ. Now we got 40 seconds until the 15-minute range is in, and then we can look for a trade. It's time. Yeah, Honda. Honda, I can actually, if you message me, I can kind of break it down for you how it works if you're looking to build something of your own. I'm not for sure what you was needing. Oh, we need some white noise or something in this live. What do you all think? What should we add? Do we just keep it silent? We need like some nature background noise or something. Something relaxing. Maybe like extreme or something. Joseph, they was telling me about Trump's tweet on Truth. It's interesting. Problem is it even true? Is it just a bluff? You know, you can't tell anymore. I've got to where I've just nearly quit looking at watching any political news. Just that's where I'm at with it. Just you want me to put like a background of random order field noise? Just don't turn on the heater? Okay, fine. G-Man says turn on the heater. That's it. That is what I'm gonna do, poet. We just have like the grizzly background sound. Grizzly bear. Hmm. Oh, the dogs like the birds chirping sound. Yeah, share the life. I haven't taken a trade. We just now got to where we can look for one, but we're still inside the range. The previous candle had enough volume to push on up here. Let's see what happens. Play my workout music. And I haven't listened to anything working out here lately. I've been listening to ebooks. I don't know. Just when I work out in the morning, some I will listen to music some. But if I listen to ebooks or something like that, I have a much better. My mind's much clearer when I trade. You know. I don't know how. What is it? TikTok. Can you all hear me still? I think the chat froze. FOMC is tomorrow, everyone. We gotta keep that in mind today. Awesome. We're good to go. Data at 10. We have consumer confidence at 10. Um, man, what did I say? I missed. I lost track of the conversation.
500 a day. That's a great day.
What was it? My bad. You say you're in a trade?
Yeah, full port longs.
I need one. I'm itching for a trade. Not really.
I don't see anything I like right now.
Me either. A little higher. A little bit higher.
What? Oh, you're watching like the pre-market high for shorts?
Yeah, maybe before, but I'd like to see us test it. Then, like maybe a close back below Asia low for my entry.
Where's Asia low at?
27,322. Ryan,
Right, up to like 3.
Ryan, I'm here. Listen, man. You lost 200 revenge trading.
Pre-market high. Excuse me.
That kind of looks like it wants to reject this VWAP now, but sorry to hear that, Ryan. Hopefully you can learn from it and we can move forward and just focus on locking in together here in live and not over trading.
Two bangers last night with DOD. Hey, that's awesome. It's great, Kevin.
Oh, everyone, we should have sound. Everyone, we've been talking, so it's someone message him and tell him how to fix the sound. How's that? I'm confused. Mimi, are you the same me as always in live? Did you change your name? Or do we have someone new? Oh, stomach is growling. Okay. Well, glad you're here. Oh, see how that can be confusing? There's two. There's a me and there's a me. That's why. That's where the confusion was. That's the type of candle here you see whenever you're looking for like a sweep or like a reject. Say was looking for the Asia low. This type of candle here. I mean, ideally you want it red, but you see what I'm saying. See how it looks the way it did on VWAP? Wicked above, closed back below. That's what I look for when we're watching this. Like if we're watching this level up here, that's what I would look for a possible short. Ideally, we get the volume there, that we're looking for. Do I like what? I don't know what that is. A Pittsburgh sausage in East Texas. I've never had one. Never had one. I mostly eat sushi and steak, and lately I've been destroying the protein ice cream I've been making. No, I'm from East Tennessee. Me. East Tennessee. I just hope we get any kind of price action other than what we had yesterday. Art of home. What details? Apologies if I missed your other question. Oh, no worries. No worries. You got me interested now. Have to. Oh, Medman, you've already Googled it. Oh, details on the ice cream. It's like a chocolate peanut butter. What I go with, protein ice cream. Keep it like 300 calories or less, somewhere in there. All right, I'm just confused now. So yeah, I mix it in there. Art of home. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat here. I go live every single morning. Real quick, for those just joining, I have an announcement. Do not leave. Listen. I dropped a 7-day free trial for Grizzology. The indicator you see on the chart here. I dropped a 7-day free trial for the monthly and for the yearly. So go to grizzlytrades.com if you want to try it. Today only. So you have to do it today. And if you don't understand how to set it up, just message me or Medman, and I'll send you exact directions, okay? Just wanted to say that. I'm going to say it a couple more times throughout this live. Yeah, that's it, man. The Ninja Creamy. I don't consider myself an influencer, Tiffany. I don't like the whole influencer vibe. I just trade with you all, then do my own thing. You see anything you like, man?
I was watching that point of control in this 50% retracement. There was just a lot of risk on this previous candle.
Yeah. It smacked though,
So
didn't it?
yeah, it did. It's working so far, but I was watching it and I looked how low that previous candle was, and I was like, like maybe if we got a strong higher low candle here, I'd look for a long and a retest into this with stops below here. That could be an option. What about you? See anything you like?
No, just hopefully we get out of this 15-minute range today and just don't hang around it all day. Well. Jesus. On a control bound, still going. It's crazy how well respected point of control is.
It's been a huge addition to my trading.
You sipping on some coffee, Jadon, or you haven't got your coffee yet?
Oh, I got my coffee.
Nice. 1 minute or 13 seconds. Consumer confidence dropping.
This technically could be a decent setup for a higher low. A retest down to like 170, 180 with stops below like 140, below point of control. We're below 15-minute low. We're below VWAP. Price itself doesn't look bad.
That previous candle was like break even. Green
Delta?
candle, yeah, like 3, positive 3, so flat.
Let's go check this out. It's flat, like positive 260. Low key kind of weak. Low key weak.
We might be showing different data.
I'm using trading views on the 5-minute.
Huh. That's weird. I wonder if the data coming differently.
Positive 260 delta. For that candle size still, in comparison to these sell side candles, a little weak.
No, I haven't taken a trade, everyone. We're just watching, trying our best to catch one here. Hopefully, we just don't chop around
Well,
inside this
170,
range.
I'll look for a potential Potentially look for a long. We'll see how we react down here.
I'm not taking anything inside this, everyone. Just so it's clear. You have to be out of this blue box on my screen. Unless I just see some kind of crazy short entry right here below VWAP. It'd have to look very enticing. What is it? Appreciate it.
Was it? That 170 was it right there. Dang it.
Go on.
Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. That one was it. It was quick. It went and touched. Boom.
Get out of this range.
Touch, boom. Boom, touch. Touched, and then boom.
Welcome in. Good morning. Be patient. I'm boring, but I'm not going to force a trade. I can assure you that. All right, Midman, we have your friend back in TikTok. You secured a payout today, MK9. Glad to hear that. Or read it, whatever you want. It does feel great to be patient, Ken. No stress. We just hang out, talk, wait on the same old boring setups we take every day. It's that simple. Everyone needs to focus on not keeping your body tense during trading. Literally, think about it. Keep it in your mind. You don't want to be tense all the time. Don't want no one having a brain heart attack in here. Brittany says 2 consecutive payouts the last 2 sessions on Take Profit. Nice, Brittany. Nothing worse than a bad cramp. You say what you can. I mean, this is not even open for debate. A bad cramp is one of the worst pains you can get if it's in the right place. Right up there with like a toothache or whatever, kidney stone. Yeah, hamstring cramps are no joke. I'll agree with that one. All right, did we get out of this range finally? Respecting VWAP very well this morning. That's clear. But let's see if we can get above this. If we could get some high volume here, which I kind of doubt we will, break out, confirm the orb to the upside, I'd be done to try it. Oh, yawn, yawn. Pushing up on lower volume. Yes, it is. We're 30 minutes in. I would say it's kind of a tight range here. I mean, mark out the first 5 minute candle. The range we've been in since then. FOMC week, everyone. We have FOMC meeting tomorrow. So, could be a boring week, but if we get confirmation, I'm going to rip some NQ. You don't like shorts anymore? Is it why you wearing jeans now? Or just playing? Volume sleeping in for the orb. It needs to wake up. Oh, yeah, you get it. I mean, the dad jokes are not always, A plus, but sometimes you just got to go with it. I got Bedman with the best dad joke yesterday on the phone, though. All right. Will this candle be a high volume breakout? That's all we're waiting on. We just need something to confirm one of our strategies we use. No, I wouldn't take the VWAP bounce. Reject, bounce, whatever. That's right. Listen to history, market. This man needs to go fishing. Give us a trade. Danny, do you have any specific settings you use for your trading view footprint? DM if you have it set up a different way. It's weird how Jaden's was different than mine, and I have not adjusted the settings on TradingView for it. It's just not part of my strategy. Vic. Um, what was I gonna say? Oh, who is gonna sign up for Grizzology today with a 7-day free trial? You do need a TradingView subscription. It makes it your life much easier. Oh, so I remember that. You think it's gonna stay in this range to 12 p.m.? I think we'll get out of it here. Just need one high volume breakout. I'm hoping at least. I'd like to catch a trade today. It's very rare that I have 2 days in a row where I don't take a trade. Typically, the market doesn't do that to us twice in a row, but we'll see. Nice stream. Appreciate that. Yes, it is due early, King. Yes, share the live, please. It's almost like we have FOMC this week.
What do you say?
It's almost like we have FOMC this week.
Do we?
Yes, tomorrow, right? Or am I
Oh,
wrong?
yeah, we do. We do have FOMC tomorrow.
Yeah, FOMC's
I didn't
tomorrow.
realize that.
Pushing up on lowering volume. I hope we get some volume in because I'd really like to push up. Just want out of this range. Get out of this 15-minute range.
Yep, missed my one entry I liked, which is really quick and didn't pull the trigger, and now it's being slow.
I'm not sure history. There you go. I should have known that one. We just need one good trade. Yeah, want to control the VWAP range. Yeah, that's the range. Want to control the VWAP. Appreciate all the likes, follow, shares. You are the best. Kayla, are you on here? The one I gave the free account to on Take Profit? I sent you the instructions. I don't know if you've seen them, but you can access that now. Sent them yesterday. Nice. I don't have any more right now, Vic. If you want, I didn't give it to you. It's my bad. I'm not sure how that happened. Let me see. Did you DM me on Instagram? Oh, you just messed with me? Oh, good. I haven't looked November. What are you looking for? Doing some cash secured puts? I don't even know what silver's at now. I never did sell my daughter's silver when it was when it was over 100. Guess if it happens again, I'm definitely gonna get rid of it though. I feel like I should apologize for NQ's boring behavior the last 2 days. Appreciate the follow. Oh, yeah, poet. That's what I was just sitting here thinking. A lot of overnight movement, only recently, but I have a feeling. Well, if it does chop like this, I think it'll straighten out. If not today, tomorrow. I mean, it can chop at pre-market highs. Typically, the chop comes the day after like a big move up or down. That's the days I try to, go ladder size or whatever. How's the trade copy work out? It's been working good, but I haven't been able to catch many trades. We've been catching so few trades. I've been locked in on my personal, trying to, get some money I can actually pay myself with. If you remember, and I mean this, like I'm not even playing. Do not, if you get Tradeify accounts, right? If you want to use Tradeify accounts, do not get the 100K select. Get the 50Ks. Trust me, the 100Ks are no joke to pass. I do. I wish I only had the 50s. I may still switch, especially if we don't start getting more trades in this market. So make sure you use code Grizzly. You can go to grizzlytrades.com to check it out. If you don't want to trade your own capital or whatever. Yes, Tradeivate Bill. Don't let the nice moves in the overnight market trick you off. Everything I see from that later sessions, like Asia, stuff like that, it's just not worth staying up all night trying to catch. I still believe the best trades are going to happen during the New York session or NQ. All right, try Asia. I have. I'm telling you all. I maybe there may be some crazy strategy that works in Asia that gives you trades, like enough trades. But everything I've back tested, the stuff I've created, researched, the only strategies that really work decent in Asia, they take like four. It's like four setups a month or something. I don't know about you all. I would rather sleep. We have to be careful when we, even I get caught up in it sometimes. We have to remind ourselves when we're seeing like, oh, this is the time to trade, or like a lot of this is just marketing strategies. We got to lock in on what's real. I promise you all, if you can show me a strategy for Asia that takes enough trades to make it worth our time, let me back test it, look at it. If we like it, I'll start trading Asia with you. If we can make money, if it's worth our time. If not, I'm not just gonna stream to, you know, push affiliate codes and all that. What I'm saying is I have to pay my taxes with my trading money, so I actually have to make money. I mean, nice Cliff. I mean, I'm not. Hey, I love to see you all make money during Asia. If you're making money with your strategy, stick with it by all means. Show me your strategy then. Let me back test it. We'll get to the bottom if it's profitable. I don't like anything here. Just talking with you all, making this about education while we wait on a legit setup. Once the trade sets up, you all know the strategies we use. It'll be very clear. We'll be like, okay, it's time. Trust me, I have the same love hate relationship you all have with evals and funded accounts. I have the same relationship, so good morning. Rick, how you doing? What was that? We're good. Thought something was in my coffee there. From what I can see right here, we don't have any type of setup that, with the strategies I use. So can't really give any input here. Sometimes I give input on, setups. I don't always understand the strategy people are using. I don't like to give I don't like to talk about stuff I don't understand or don't, I feel like everyone's entitled to their opinion unless they have no experience in the subject. Then at that point, you're just spreading ignorance. Was that a shot in my Thomas? That was not me putting a shot into my Folgers. That was me thinking I had got something in my mouth from taking a sip. So, how do you identify your areas to trim? Typically, I mean, we could start trimming around 1 to 1, but we use the key levels. Um, Also, like if we take in the perfect world, this is how I like to think. If we take like a demand bounce, right? We get in loans when we have confirmation and demand. The perfect trade, the ideal trade would go from demand to supply, right? So supply would be your final price target. Unless it comes back after you trim and it gets you out of the trade before making the full move. Man, I don't see anything yet. Do you?
Nope. I missed my one entry that I liked, and beyond that, I haven't seen anything that I would take. Just kind of waiting.
I think the market would be much better if we get FOMC out of the way. We could get some volume in.
We do have FOMC tomorrow. So funny at the Nuggets game last night, they were chanting, "Jaden sucks, Jaden sucks" for Jaden McDaniels. I was like, damn, it sounds like the haters on my live streams.
Yeah.
Jaden sucks. Jaden sucks. I'm sure he's just sitting there loving it. It's hilarious.
You ever have
I'm like,
something?
Jaden, as much as I want the Nuggets to win, I know how you feel, bro. And we got similar names, so I really know how you feel.
Was he just playing horrible or what? I didn't see it.
No, we just that we have like Nuggets have beefed them because he's just an antagonizer. He likes to rile people up. It's actually pretty funny.
I bet you miss playing basketball watching them.
I do. I love it. I just love sports, man.
Yeah, me too. I used to love basketball, man. We used to play it every day.
Yup. The crowd's all chanting Jaden sucks. I'm like, damn, I'm not even trading right now when there's haters chanting that I suck.
Triggered Jaden's PTSD.
Yeah, I can't even get a break from the live stream.
He can't hide either. 6'7".
Nope. Can't go nowhere in public.
All right, man. Hopefully we catch a trade before too long. I just
I
want to be out of
know.
this range.
It's hard. Like we're getting a little pullback, but we're still above point of control and literally right in the middle of the range, like right around where we opened today.
It'd have to be some crazy volume candle to get me to take a trade inside this range. So more than likely, I'm going to wait until we're outside the 15-minute range before I look for an entry. But let me know if you see something, man.
No, you too.
Want to control has dad's strength. See if it holds or we finally get below it. Oh, the ES orb? Let me take a quick look here. Well, this is trying to confirm. It's got like 4 seconds. I don't believe it's going to make it. Nope. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll be trading tomorrow, everyone. Same schedule. I'm going to stick around today for a while, so don't go anywhere. I want to catch a trade today. I'm not trading during FOMC though. It's just not the same FOMC that it used to be. Used to you could actually it'd be massive moves. Now it's not even worth their time showing up for. Nice, Danny. Hope it just goes straight to I don't know how far it can go down for you. Oh, this candle's gonna try to make me take a trade inside this range, isn't it? Nope, not looking for that. I mean, it's possible, Vic, if we get like a sweep type thing, sweep type setup. I'm just glad we're finally getting close to being out of the 15-minute range. That's the only thing I'm worried about right now. Mm. Oh, I'm here. Yeah, I was talking about the earlier Cage, like having some background music, but a lot of people did not like that idea. I mean, we can't base the trade off this candle, everyone. Why? I was just it's a 100 point plus candle. Where are we gonna get in this trade at? Some ocean sounds. Nice trade, Danny. I'm glad you made it back, man. Deserve deserve it all. Nice, Diana. Glad to see everyone else is making money but me. That's a little bit too far. See what Jaden's talking about. Well, the move came, but it came all at once, Jaden. You still there?
Yep, I'm here, just annoyed a tad bit. Not aggressively, but slightly annoyed.
I guess we could see if we bounce this pre-market low.
Like kids spilled apple juice for the third time after you politely asked not to do it. Not incredibly annoyed, but slightly. Not that big of a deal. However, you would have rather seen it go a different direction. Would rather that not happen first. But it did, and so you deal with it, and we'll move on. You gonna watch my shorts in this move back up?
Just too much risk up there for me.
I think I might try to get to like 110 area with stops above like 145, 146. It is risky. I mean, we're bouncing right near pre-market low and off this 15-minute low. There is risk on it.
Like this is gonna rip up, touch point of control, chop around some more.
No,
We'll see.
I'm gonna see like 110. 100 might be it, but let's say 110 area.
Our options are they pricey today? How are they looking? I haven't looked.
Come on, a little higher. That's 100. Technically, at that 50% retracement, there's just a little too much risk there. Tad bit too much risk for me taking it early, especially if we end up like consolidating here and getting. We probably won't get a high volume close based on how it looks now, but since they get a high volume close above these levels,
I mean, I would like to try shorts here, everyone, but I can't. It's not matching the playbook. I'm not trying to give you a trade that's got 50 plus points of risk either here. So that seems like when people in live mess up the most whenever we get into a trade that there's more point risk than typical. So I'm going to be patient here.
oh boy, come on. Oh,
I mean, we could at 120. I could justify getting in this trade. 120, but 118.
that's tough to. I mean, we don't have technically rising volume, but it's looking like it's going to be decent volume. I mean, it's on par with pretty much every candle we've had, minus this and this.
What's everyone think? We thinking 120 for shorts, or are we gonna set this one out?
It's tough to short. Strong close, damn near touch pre-market low, closed above 15-minute low.
YouTube, can you all not hear me?
Tough to short, especially with the close up there. It's just tough. Close back above 100, right at 100, 102.
I think we missed this one, everyone. We got to communicate though when we're trying to get a trade. We got to talk. I was looking for shorts up there. I just wanted to everyone to agree.
Just don't love anything.
It's all right. We missed that one. It's okay. It's all good. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm not interested in shorts up here either now. We've already made the move I was looking to capitalize on for the most part.
Looking for shorts right now.
Debbie, you gotta get your real time data turned on.
Looking for shorts, but it just that candle spooked me out there on that 110 area reject. That was the only area I was watching. We had this 5 minute, not rising volume, but also pretty significant volume candle up. Full body, almost no drawdown.
Need
Now
shade.
it looks like it almost wants to go and flush those lows. I'm joining the DoD movement. I just blew my accounts this morning because I was chasing.
Where's everyone going? Hang out. What you got going on, Alexander? Am I getting sushi after this, Eddie? Since you said that, you convinced me. So yes, I'm getting sushi after this. I know it's hard to convince there, but how's everyone doing this morning? Trading, life in general. How we doing? Try to take everyone's mind off this until we get another setup. Yeah, that's true. Caged up, KG or KJ. Sorry. What was the workout today? I did 45 minutes of elliptical and I sat in the sauna, and that's all I did this morning for a workout. I know it's not very impressive, but that's what my body was feeling, so I hit it. It's all right, Jason. You'll bounce back. It's nothing. All right, everyone. Get ready for some shorts if we retrace. Come on, man. 61. Still too much risk. We couldn't enter there. Come on. It's going to do us dirty. Finally got the candle I was looking for here. What was the risk? We would have entered at 60. 130. Yeah. A little bit more risk than I want. Diana, was it crazy accurate? I had to restart, Bill. Messed up once. That was the entry here I was looking for. Everyone really wasn't exactly the orb setup. It's more like a trend. What I was looking for when I said get shorts ready. So what happened? We pushed up inside this fair value gap, right? There's a couple different ways you can trade them. You can either wait for the midline to enter shorts, or once you get the candle closed back outside of the fair value gap. And that's what I was looking for there. Once we had the strong close after we tested it, and it lined up nicely with the, below the orb range, and the volume was decent. So called you out. Nope, Brian, no trades yet, man. Trying my best to get us one. So if you're just joining this stream, you're right on time. Now, right here, if we could get some volume, green candle with high volume, a nice strong delta. This could be the type of candle we look for longs, right? We wicked down below pre-market low, pushed into very small demand we have there from the hourly. We got a minute 30 seconds, and we'll know more. I'm gonna say this one more time. Then I'm done saying it. And it's for today only. I have Grizzology, the indicator you see on the screen. I turned on the 7-day free trial. So if you've been wanting to try it, get signed up today. If you don't understand how to set it up, DM me. I'll send you exact instructions on how to access it, purchase it. But you can go to grizzlytrades.com for the link if you want to do it yourself. It's pretty straightforward. So. All right, everyone. Get ready. Well, if we close this down here, if it doesn't wake back up, Jesus, candles, work with us here. 62. If we close below this pre-market, I'm gonna talk to Team Bull. Hold on.
It's
all right, everyone. I'm starting some shorts here.
You're starting them down here.
Yeah, I'm starting shorts here, everyone. Right in this area, keeping my stop. 62. Trend entry.
Hope it prints for you, bro. Volume looks good.
Yeah, this is the only it's the only opportunities I've had to enter. It's not
like a pull back up to like 40 maybe.
Oh no, it's gonna get my stop. That was a violent move back up. I'm still in, everyone. If it breaks above this previous candle, I will be out.
I'm gonna try a piece of shorts on this move up too.
I'm not trusting now. This crazy candle.
Yep, I tried the shorts on this move up, guys. Small piece, left room to add as well.
My average is in the 30s, everyone now. So heads up. Stop remains the same.
I'd rather see like 60 to 70. I did add. This is that area, guys. This is what I like here. Or if you want a little higher or a little less risk, then you can look at like 60 to 70.
All right. I'm going to lock in here. That's a weird bounce. That candle, the way we bounced there, right back up, so close to my stop. We got to be careful. It got it. It got literally pushed up, grabbed it. Well, I mean, what can you do? We was patient. We waited on a legit candle. Well, 30 at a 30-point stop. Right at 30-point stop loss. So. The only trade it gives us is wick straight up and grabs the stop. No, the trade invalidated for me. Why? That's the reason I had my stop where it was. For this trend entry, it's invalidated. There's no way I could stop out at 114. That bothers me. 30-point loss. The only trade I've taken this week. No, it stopped me out, Mike. When I tell you all my stop, I'm not moving it. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I didn't get it. Okay, let's average down. When I put my stop in, that's where it stays. Unless something else invalidates the trade. Now watch this one get high volume in reverse. It has time too. I'm hesitant to try longs off of it though if it doesn't close back above that 15-minute range low. This is going to have high volume, everyone. Money mind easy. You know what? You see what I see there for shorts? We had high volume closed below pre-market. We're looking for trend. That's how you catch trend. Below pre-market or the orb. Two ways. Three. Fair value gaps here. Adding that in. So Trump is on TV talking right now, Vic. That would explain it. That man is just always. Is Trump really speaking? Is that for sure?
Right here. Around like 60. We're ripping the longs full size.
Yeah, that's a long trade. And Trump speaking?
Full size longs. I'm talking full size, full risk on. I'm halfway to my maximum loss limit. If we go full to it, we will walk away. We don't break that rule. That's a hard rule. We don't break the maximum loss limit.
I took a 30-point loss on that short. So
that's annoying. So we wait. If we get a pull back down to here, rip the longs full risk. If we don't, then I'll just take my L and move on.
I like the trade that we took, though. It looked good. I would take it again. Trump started speaking.
It was great.
Oh, Iran just announced a peace proposal. That's what it was.
We had news.
Yes. Right when we got into the trade.
Of course. Yep, we'll look for a pullback down to here, 15-minute low, pre-market low for long, stops below 15. And that's my last trade I'll watch for today. Move down, move up. Besides that, I got nothing.
I mean, what's the chances of news dropping after I waited all morning on that setup? As soon as I get in, boom.
News?
Yep.
Of course, we had news, right? Does that happen? Let's see. So we're gonna pull back down here to this low right here, like 50 to 70 area for longs. Full risk on, full size will be happening with stops below 14. If we don't get that, I don't take a trade.
I mean, I like longs down here.
I do too.
I just don't know if they're just gonna fade that news candle.
Yep. I'm willing to try it. Get down to my ad area. I'll try it. I will 100% try it. What do you mean it's not DOD? What are you talking about?
Yeah, I mean, it's frustrating when you get into a trade.
We get that?
Happens.
I'm going full size at 50. If we don't,
That's why day trading is so hard. I mean, you're just working against. You're having to time your entries perfect nearly for day trading, and have to worry about the news, the whatever. All we can do is manage our risk and continue make adjustments when we have to. Yep, Trump is. It's just frustrating. It's okay. We will look for another one here. What's the 50% retracement of? You can get it pretty close, right? Still quite a bit of risk. See, if this one thing I want to show you all here, if this pushes down to low a day, that goes to show you we had the right idea, the right trade. The news just invalidated it. And even if it does push down to low a day now, this goes to show you how strong the sellers are, even after the news and Trump speaking. I mean this with everything in me. I think it should be illegal to drop news during the market session, like the New York session. They should not be allowed to have Fed speakers drop all this random. Maybe the best route would be to make the algos not able to pick up on news, ban them or something, right? Like get rid of them. Just talking. If we try this trade, everyone, it have to be in the 50s when we get in. We'd have to have our stop below low a day if we try longs. I have not entered. The only trade I've had is the losing one I took with you all. Really, I'm just not trusting this. This would be if you're gonna try longs. This is where you have to try them. I'm just not trusting it. This candle here, as far as I'm concerned, was all manipulation. Like it was just based off news, whatever you want to call it. Nice look. I'm glad you made back the. No, I'm done advertising anything. I hate pushing anything after a loss. See if we can make some money, catch another trade. What you seeing, Mike? You giving it a try? You giving the longs a try? No, I'm not trying them. I'm setting out this trade. If you followed the plan and stopped out where you needed to there, that's a win in itself, everyone. Anytime one of our strategies invalidates, we follow the plan. That is, even though we don't like losing money, right? It's not in our nature as human beings to want, accept losing easily. It's just part of trading. We followed our plan. We're building discipline. It's like it's heading down. No, I'm still looking for another trade, everyone. I had one losing trade. I'm open to taking one more. No, that bounce was 100% because news. I mean, yeah, we pushed down quite a bit, so it did pull back some, but you could tell by the price action of that 5 minute candle. I still think downside's going to print, but I hope if anybody's in longs, it prints to the upside. I'm not in a trade, no. Hopefully, just don't chop in this range now. First, we chop between point of control and VWAP. Now, see if we chop between point of control and pre market low. I had one trade and it was a losing one, so you missed it. You picked the right trade to miss. Sorry about that, Daz. I didn't either. think after FOMC tomorrow we'll have much better price action. That's my thoughts. What do you all think? Any questions? I'm just hanging out, like waiting on maybe another trade. So did Jaden try some longs? It prints.
So far, so good.
You got some longs, Jaden?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. I think with that grade of a fill, I got in at like 70, like 78.
Hopefully it gives you point of control at least. 139.
20 points so far. I wanted to get it like 70, but come on.
Please print for him. I just want to see people win in this market. It has the last couple weeks have been very tough for entries. Seems like we'll have some tough weeks. We'll have like 2 tough weeks, 3 tough weeks in a row, like just with entries and stuff. Then we'll get one easy week, then it's right back to the tough weeks, or like half an easy week. So I just don't see a trade here, so I can't enter. Jaden's seen something that matches his strategy, so he tried longs. I personally don't see anything, so I gotta wait. I'm still eating sushi today. I don't care if I get another trade or not. I say that probably will not leave the house. Push up. We're supposed to storm anymore here. It was horrible last night. Storm woke me up in the middle of the night. The wind and rain was crazy. No, looks like it's gone here. No more rain for well, no returns tonight. Really, Jackson? It's dry. No, I'm gonna hang around see if we can catch another trade. I don't know. I was messaging Jay down there. Oh. Do you all see anything else we should watch? Still looking. Oh. This price action, come on. I'm here. Just dealing with some nonsense. Oh. I'm sticking around for just a second. I want to see something here. I mean, I already know that the setup we took was right. We had the right idea. It looked great, but I want to see if it gives us another opportunity here. Nice, cowboy. Makes me happy to see you winning, man, after I took that loss. Right here's the candle I was looking for, everyone. You don't have to wait much longer. It's a tough week. Don't let the trades Jay done took fool you. He's a good trader. He's just having a tough week. It happens to everyone. Well, is it going to give us anything? Do we dare try it again? You think it's a buy? I don't see that, Mo. All right, 46. I want to try shorts here, everyone. I'm going to try them, keep my stops above 46, okay? Well, yeah, I'm going to try little shorts. Don't go heavy. I don't trust this market today. I'm in. If I didn't get in that trade, it logged me out of my laptop. We sit here so long. Last trade. If it hits my stop, I'm just walking away. Come back tomorrow. If you don't like the setup, please don't take it. That's all I'm saying. Steen, who are you talking to? I don't understand. What do you mean, was that even English? I'm not for sure what you're. I'm in shorts. I click the sell button. Stops are above the previous candle. High. I have a hard stop set. If it pushes up, it will fill my order. If it bounces again, I'm blaming Medman. It's his fault. Same setup as before. Let's just hope we don't get no news. A little bit less volume, but It's gonna stop me out. Watch. Bet it pushes up and stops me out. If it breaks above that candle, I'll be out and I'm getting off here and eating my body weight in sushi. All right, that's it. I'm done. Now I've had 2 losing trades today, so I'm gonna go eat my body weight in sushi. Eating all my calories in one meal. All right, Steen. Let's see what you're doing. Well, it's a tough day. If this goes to low a day, I'm just gonna give up today. Go back to bed. I apologize, everyone. I tried my best this morning. Just didn't happen. I'll see you back tomorrow, hopefully.